The PTO should be greased at regular intervals according to the user manual. Check the oil in the gearboxes with the dipstick provided. The oil should be in the hash marks on the dipstick. If you need to add oil, we recommend 85W140 gear oil. Blades assemblies and components must be checked on a regular basis according to the operator manual. Sharpen blades using a small grinder. PTO and driveline must be checked on a regular basis according to the operator manual. Check the roller according to the operator manual. Grease the roller ends after every 40 hours worked or daily if working in row crops. If necessary, remove the roller assembly and adjust the tightness of the bearings. Align the holes and install a new shear bolt.